Venga, deixa-me trabalhar. Deixa-me trabalhar.
Why are you frothing? What?
Excuse me? Excuse me? George! George!
Are you okay?
Hey, come here.
You chew this up. What happened to your eyes?
Where are your eyes?
Are you guilty?
Okay.
Did you feel it?
Did you chew this up?
It was definitely.
It's Killian.
Mo. Can you explain that? Mo.
It's a vegetable burrito. Daddy's trying to eat better. It's got rice and vegetables and lettuce. You don't want this. Mommy's got chicken. How is that?
Let's go, handsome. Come on.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
My story. Yes.
Ça pourrait me servir dans ma vie future. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci. Bonne journée.
Unbelievable. No.
coming. What the? Kitty.
Let's see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want some, buddy?
Okay, wait, come back. My baby horse is 16 months, and I want to take pictures next to him so you can see how he grows. Oh, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through. Oh! Oh!
It really does look like it's like tight.